Hi, I'm Stephen from OneClick LCA, and today we will talk about specific parts of a calculation, and specifically what kind of scenarios and assumptions we use for the calculation. When we have a project and we calculate our emissions, a large part of these emissions will come from our materials, so let's say our EPDs, but a lot of parts of this calculation is not information which the manufacturer provides. So when we talk about the transportation settings, end of life, service life, and so on, usually these settings come from other parameters. How we access this is that we open our project and we click on the data card of a resource and we navigate to the default scenarios and assumptions. Here we can see that for this resource here, we have default settings for the transportation, which for example references, default things for the wastage, end of life, service life, and so on. So all these kind of default scenarios and assumptions will be displayed here, and they of course differ between different type of products and also for different type of tools.